Hello there, welcome to this video about changing the spark plugs on your smart car. Now, as always, this is one of the service interventions that you can do yourself with the basic toolkit. Now, before you begin, make sure that you remove any source of annoyance that you might have around you, like animals, kids, wives, neighbors, grizzly bears, whatever, is annoying and noisy. Because you're going to need all your wits about this. Space is scarce. This is a very tiny car, and you must absolutely be very careful never to drop anything down that engine bay, because I believe there is a wormhole at the bottom of it that will suck anything you drop and just throw it on the other side of the universe. So don't drop anything down there. Now, it's fairly easy. All you're going to need is a 10mm socket to remove the overhead coils, and obviously unclip plugs first, and your spark plug socket, a short extension, and your ratchet. Now, space is so scarce that I was not even able to press the wrench down onto my extension, so it's quite a pain in the ass, but it got the job done anyway. Obviously, you want to gap the new spark plugs before putting them in, and service interval, I believe, is 40,000 kilometers. And since this intervention is such a pain in the backside, it's quite often overlooked, and yet it's something that you can do in in your shed, your garden, whatever, your driveway, with your usual basic toolkit. Now, this does have an effect on your fuel consumption, so do make sure that you do change these plugs. It's a good thing to do, and affects, generally speaking, the smoothness of the running of this engine, if you can call it smooth at all. As with every 3 cylinders, they vibrate a lot and usually shake your teeth off on idle, let alone when you're driving. Still, this is, I repeat, a very easy intervention. Just make sure that you don't drop anything down there. Take your time to do it. I believe this took me roughly half an hour. And once you've removed the plugs, it's just a matter of refitting the new ones. It's just a fiddle. See how tight the space is? You can barely fit your hand down there, and yeah, so it's very annoying. There you go. It's a fairly easy job. It's just a pain in the ass. So as I said, take your time to do it, and remove any source of annoyance that you might have. And once you're done, just pop the bonnet, as it were, back on, refit the carpet, and Bob's your uncle. Job done. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure you watch all the other videos that I post. And if you're interested in seeing something special, let me know in the comment section. Do drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next videos. Thanks again for watching, guys.